Procho kod abiriyo mar jopith kendo jokwath mag dhok e pacho ka yango ni oikore mar were gi chenro no kendo otimo chenro mamoko manyalo kelo negi yuto.
Mane kaluwore gi nok mar koth ma osehinyo pith mar jamni pacho ka, ripot ma kama ogol kod kambi okumba mar Takaful Insurance.
Jatatije mar kambino Sumai Hassan wacho ni nitiere dwaro mar mondo mi jopith kod jokwath jamni ma pacho ka mi okumba motegno manyalo resogi kendo manyalo miyo giyud lal.
Would they be willing to undertake alternative livelihood programs to reduce reliance on pastoralism? So 94% said yes, they would. 6% were not keen on that. We were interested to know which form of livelihood, alternative livelihood program, would they be interested in. 59% said they would be interested in growing food crops. 11% said they would be interested in growing fodder crops. Milk processing came in at 12%, abattoirs at 9%, skin and hides business at 5%, and others came in at 3%.